Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream in a food processor. First, make sure your heavy cream, bowl, and blade are thoroughly chilled. This cold environment is crucial for achieving stiff peaks quickly. Using heavy cream with a high fat content, ideally 36% or more, will give you the best texture and stability. This method is incredibly fast and simple, perfect for last-minute desserts. Now, let's add our ingredients. Pour 1 cup of your well-chilled heavy cream directly into the food processor bowl. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar helps stabilize the cream and prevents a grainy texture. Finally, include 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, delightful flavor. You can adjust the sugar and vanilla to your taste. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy whipped cream tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great tips. And on another note, just like you wouldn't settle for bland dessert, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're amazing. You can find a link to them and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With all ingredients in, secure the lid firmly on your food processor. Begin by pulsing the mixture a few times to combine everything. Then, switch to continuous processing. Keep a close eye on the cream. It will thicken quickly. Stop immediately once stiff peaks form, usually within 30 to 60 seconds, to avoid overwhipping into butter. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready. Serve it immediately over pies, fruits, or hot beverages. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. While it's best fresh, it will keep well for about 1 to 2 days. Give it a gentle whisk before serving again if it has softened slightly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.